Well, I've got the spindle working. So, let me get out of this. MDI, M3, S200, enter, start. There's the spindle rotating in the right direction. M4, S200, start. Spindle reverses, go in the right direction. Okay, so that works, but I have a job here that I'm trying to run. Simple part, start, and there it goes. So 410X axis to position error. I have no idea what the heck is going on. I'm getting tired of this thing. But what's weird is everything operates fine this way, operates fine this way, so obviously it's traveling. All of this works like it should. Okay, so if I tell it to go to X0, G54, T101, X, work on it. Okay, start. And it goes right to center line. So, I don't know if it's an encoder, DRO, I have no idea, but it's just not wanting to work for some reason. So, again, tell it to start, hit start again, and there it goes. It just quits, flat out quits for no good reason. So if anybody has any ideas, please let me know. Thank you.